create a Google family and add members to that Google family. So maximum we can add 6 members to a Google family. To do that, just open your browser and in Google search you can search this or directly browse to families.google.com, this URL. So once you're here, you can click on get started. All that you need to do is you need to send email request to add the members. So you will be the family manager once you are create family group. So you are agreeing Google terms and conditions by clicking on this. So invite members to your family. You can invite up to five in the sense along with you it will be 6. You can invite 5 others. So I'll invite this contact and I'll invite this contact. So for now I'm just sending a request to my email which is on the other browser. See here, for this particular email I sent a join request, so this appeared here. So someone has invited, so click on accept request. Means this particular mail will be sent to your family member whom you add on the list of Gmails. Okay, if you skip that step at the early stage, you can add the members later. For now I'm just adding 2 members. You can later add by giving the email. I'll show you that one also. Click on get started and click on join family. So I'll go to my incognito, go to family group. So what I all did is I sent an invitation request to my mail only and I accepted it. So see here, this is me, family manager. See here, this particular person added to the group as I accepted the mail from the other browser. So these are the Google services what I can use: Google Calendars or YouTube Music Premium. Means if one purchases, the other family members can also use with that particular ID, premium ID. So actually the terms and conditions and the usage are all explained here. You can read it from here. Google Play Family Library and so on. So in this way easily you can create a Google family by going to families.google.com and just send an invitation. And if you want to add some more members, right away you'll have this option, invite a new member. You can click on this plus symbol and directly you can type the email address. If it is not in your finger, you can directly type the email. I hope you like this and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.